Unraveling I'm Bored, making sense of common English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the hub for your language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a very common phrase that you've probably heard quite often: I'm bored. It's short, but it's loaded with meaning, and it pops up in all sorts of conversations. Understanding such phrases can be the key to sounding more like a native speaker and adding a natural flow to your English. So, let's get started and unpack what I'm bored really means. When someone says, I'm bored, they're expressing a feeling. But it's not just any feeling. It's the feeling of not being interested in their current situation or not having anything to do that excites them. It's a temporary state of mind where everything seems dull and unengaging. This phrase is often used casually and can be a way to signal to others that you're looking for something new to do or talk about. It's also a very personal statement about one's internal state, rather than the environment or the activities at hand. Boredom is a bit more complex than just not having anything to do. It can be a sign that you're not being challenged enough, or that you're in need of some mental stimulation. It might even be a cue for you to change something about your routine or to take up a new hobby or activity. It's also worth noting that saying, I'm bored, can have different connotations depending on the context. In some cases, it might be seen as rude or disrespectful, especially if someone is making an effort to entertain or engage with you. In other situations, it might be a harmless way to start a conversation about finding something fun to do. If someone tells you they're bored, there are a few ways you can respond. 1. Suggest an activity. Offer an idea for something to do or a topic to talk about. 2. Express empathy. Sometimes, people just want to feel understood. You can say something like, yeah, it can be pretty dull sometimes. 3. Ask questions. Encourage the person to explore why they're feeling bored. Ask what usually interests them or what they'd rather be doing. Remember, the goal is to acknowledge their feelings and potentially help them find a solution. In different cultures, the concept of boredom and the willingness to express it openly can vary. In some cultures, openly stating, I'm bored, might be perfectly acceptable, while in others, it could be seen as impolite or showing a lack of self-reliance in entertainment. It's essential to be sensitive to these differences, especially when speaking with people from diverse backgrounds. So there you have it. The phrase, I'm bored, is more than just a simple declaration. It's an expression of a state of mind that can lead to deeper conversations and understandings. We hope this video has shed some light on the nuances of this common English phrase. Remember, feeling bored is universal, but how we deal with it can be quite a unique experience. Keep practicing your English, and never be afraid to express your feelings. Until next time, we hope you find plenty of things that keep you engaged and learning.